Hello, my name is Krista, and today I decided to do area determination. I have here two curves. We should calculate the area of the two curves, which is enclosed by the equation E1 from x is equal x power 2, and E2 from x is the equal to x power to 5. First, we will sketch the graph in GeoGebra. I have installed this up here. This is free. You can download from internet. Just write GeoGebra Classic. You should find in internet and install them. And after that, you can work with this. Okay, let's go started. Now, first one, I'd like to put the input here. I will writing function. I will take this here, the function. The first one is I will write I1 and the start value. I will do the restriction. No, I'm sorry, not I1. Here will be x squared. X power 2. Okay, and we have a start value from 0 to the 1.1. And we have this equation here, these curves here. So the restriction is from here, from 0 to here 1.1. Okay, so now we will put the second one, and we write a function, and we take this. So now we're writing x powered 5. The start value is 0, and the end value is 1.04. I'm taking different because I'd like to have these two lines equal. Okay, I mean these two curves are equal. So here it is. Here you have these two curves. So now let me change the color of the first one. I go to the object properties and basic. I will put the name and value here, and after that I will put the color. I will take the first one. Let me take black. Okay, the first one I take black. Style, I think the style is good. Okay, so I have the first equation here, but actually I'm not happy with this equation. So I'd like to hide this one by show label. So now I'm going to here text. I will put my own equation. I'm writing here I1 is equal x power 2. And because it's the latex, it's very beautiful layout you see here. Okay. And after that, I will change even this here. Just right click, go to the object properties. Let me change, I will put the values that we see. It is very difficult to manipulate with this one. You cannot move it where you like to put this equation, so I'd like to hide this one. Just show label by hiding, just to hit show label. Okay, so now let me change the color of this equation. I will take the red one, and after that I will, okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm going out. So now even here, I will take to write the text, and I'm writing I2 is equal x powered 5, enter, just hit OK. So I can put where I'm like this equation. Okay, now let me rename this. I will put I1. Okay, and here I'd like to change rename I2 is okay. So now the layout is very beautiful because it's the latex, and latex doing very well. But I don't need this one here. I will just hide this one by hit the show label. Okay. So now let us doing the intersection. And the intersection we can take by hitting this here, intersection. I will take first intersection here and here. This one is A. Let me manipulate this one here by our properties. Go to the style, no, basic, and take the name and value. We get this one here, okay. I'm happy now with that, so I can take one more time by hitting this line and this line. I get the B. Let me show the object properties, name and value. So now everything is okay. So let me take an option font size. I'd like to take the 32 because when can I put in the Microsoft Word, there will be a problem. The text will be very small. Okay, so now, okay, so after that we will integrate this area, but before I can do that, I'd like to do one more input, integral. I have a two function, integral between function 1, function 2, start point and end point. So, and here I have a I1, and so I have I2, and start value is 0, and end value is 1. You see here, this is the x value. 1. Let me see what happened. Okay. So I'm not happy with this color. I will take another color. Let me take this color here, yellow. Yellow 0. Okay, we take this one here. So, and let me do maximum. Okay, good. Now we see everything. So I'm closing this one. Okay, I'm not happy with this scale. I will change the scale. So I'm going to the graphics, and I will change the x-axis. I will take distances. Let me take 0.2. Let me label X, and distance here 0.2, and the label, let me take the label I, and I will close this one. So let's see how this look good. Okay, so now we have one beautiful graph, very beautiful graph. And now just hit print screen. And after that, go to the paint, Control V, and move this one in the place that you can do a selection, good selection. Let me take this selection here, something like this here. So, and a crop. So Control A, Control C, and after that I will go to my Word documents, and I will put here. So you see, I'm sorry, it's not good. Let me see now. So I hit this one, I'm going again, print screen, this. So now we'll go to the, again, Control V. So I will do that again. It's not easy to be a mathematician. So we have a here somewhere. Let's see that this is good. Hit the crop, Control A, Control C. Go back to the Word documents now. And I put this. Now looks good. Right click, season position, take 30%. Hit OK. Take this one to be a tight. OK. And then now find. OK, it's enough here. So now we have one beautiful graph. OK. So now we have a coming in this. Let me take here 1, 2, and 3. This is already done. Now we will do this one here. Let me copy this one, Control C, and I put here V, and after that I'm going to start the math type. And then now I will work. So now I will find the intersection. Okay. This intersection I will find. Okay, so how can we do that? We can do that like this. So I1 is equal to I2, and this one is the same like X power 2 equal X power 5. Okay, so this means that x minus 5 is equal to 0. So you know what this one goes in another side. The plus will be minus x power 2 minus x power 5 is 0. So now we should copy this one here. So I will take here parentheses. I will take this one outside the parentheses, somewhere here. And here I have 1 minus, when I divided x by x squared, here will be 1. When I divided x power 5 with x power 2, I receive 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so now I have a get 2 equation here. Sorry, this one is the same. Okay, go back. I will do that after that. So now I get 2 equation here. So I will put these 2 equation. The first one is something like this. I take this one here. And the second one is this here. I will put here. Okay. So I will copy this one here, Control C. So you understand what I mean now here. X squared is equals 0. 1 minus x power 3 is the 0 again. Okay, so from here I have the x power 3 coming in another side. Here the minus in another side will be plus. So, and this one gives plus or minus 0. I don't need to write. This is clear. And this here will be x equal, this is a triple, if we can call root, x equal 1. Okay, so let me close this one so to see how long that could go. Okay, so I will take here somewhere. It's long. I will take here somewhere. I'm sorry. It's difficult to. Okay. Okay, now it's good. So now the intersection for x 0, if I'm putting in both equation here, let me do that. I have this equation here and this equation. Okay. So if I'm putting this here, let me take this here. Is equal x 5. I don't need this one. So now if I'm putting here 0, with both 0, 0 squared 0 will be 0. But let me know, because people maybe have a problem to understand that. Equals 0. If I'm putting 0 even here will be the 0 in the final is equal 0. And if I'm putting x equal 1, and in this equation will be 1 powered to 2 will be 1. And even here, 1, I have here 1 powered to 5, again will be 1. So I have received this point. Let me see the point here. So I received the point A. Here is the point A. This is the point A. And I received 0, comma, I receive this point 0 here. And I is 0, 2. We have here 0. And we have here B, which is equal, the first point is 0. No, this is the 1. I'm sorry, the point is 1. And the second one is 1, 2. So this is this one here. 0, 0 for A point. This is, we can write here A is equal, and here we can write in B is equal. So we receive these 2 points. So I don't have a place here, so I must do it like this. Okay, so now is the time to calculate the area. And calculation the area, I can do that by using the integral. And I'm using integral, this is the here I'm using 0 is equal, and I don't know how they call that in English, I'm sorry for that. This is 1. Okay. And then now I will put the area by this, that now this letter is the same, and this is the same, but it doesn't matter. This means the area, and this means here the dot. Okay, so let me change by C. We call that C, area. So they cannot confuse someone. It doesn't matter. Okay, so after that, I will use this equation here. I will take this equation. and I will put this equation here, and this 0 comes here, and this one comes here, and this one I will put in parentheses. Okay. Okay, something like this, the x. Okay, and this is equal. Now we will I will take this equation here, putting there, and here we have a, okay, so now the primitive function from x squared is 2 plus 1, and this one goes down here, 2 plus 1, even we're doing the same here, will be 5 plus 1, even here 5 plus 1, okay, and we have 0, 1, and this means that, let me copy again. So here is the 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is equal. Okay, I will put here minus. So this one here comes here, so I will put 1 instead of x. This 1, even here 1, and here I will put 0, this 0, 0, 0, equal. Let me see. So, okay. So now this one gives 0. I don't write it, okay? I can write it in this side. So we have 1/3. Let me. 1 power 3 is 1. 1 power 6 is 1 minus 0. So now when we calculate this one, is the same. Now it is the, this is the algebra. Here we have the minimum denominator for 3 or 6 is 6. Is the 6. I will delete this one here. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Also 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And here is 1 just minus 1. Okay. So this is equal 1 divided by 6. And this gives, let me see, is approximately 0, 1666, something like that, 66, but I'm taking approximately 0.17 area units. So, and we've done. The exercises is done. So now I see that this is not good. So let me take this one down. What's the problem? I'd like to have this document up. Something, this one caused a problem. Let me see now. Okay, so now it's finished. So we're done now. We have a beautiful graph and we have I think, good written documents. So I hope that you will be happy with these exercises. So if you like this video, you can subscribe and give the comments so I can. I'm sorry they are taking a little time for that to writing, but it's easier if you have right equipment. I'm using that I have. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Goodbye and see you again.